All right, so here's what I love about Colombia, and I tell people that just it's real. So this is my friend who I teach English with, my friend Melanie. Now we're doing a challenge. She says that she can cook, and she has 30 mil pesos, and we're going to the grocery store right now, and she's about to buy some groceries right now. And tomorrow morning, she's gonna cook a full meal. 12 years old in Colombia. We're going shopping right now. She's about to cook a meal. Let's check it out. Okay, to my day list. Let's go.
Cebolla larga y cebolla roja. El repollo, le falta el repollo.
¿Tiene una mechera?
Hey, ¿qué es este?
Zanahoria.
¿Qué es este? Okay, so we have carrots and we have some beef, and this is the list of everything we're getting here.
Más 700, 900. Más 2.000 más 2.600.